Hello everyone, hope you are all doing well. Today I am going to do unbox and review of Philips Citrus Juicer. So let's begin. It can extract up to 80% juice from citrus fruits. It has 2 ways rotation, it has 2 cones and it comes with 2 years of warranty. How cool is that? Into technical aspect, it requires 220 volt and 25 wattage of power to operate properly. Although the printed price was rupees 1895, but from Amazon.in I got this juicer in 1519 rupees only. As its name suggests, this juicer is for citrus fruit like lemon, oranges and so on. It can hold 1 liter of juice and the markings are clearly mentioned here. It is made up of pretty tough glass as you can see. Now let me just show you quickly how to disassemble its parts. It is a sieve adjuster which can be used to select different pulp levels in the juice just by changing its direction. It is super easy to disassemble its parts for cleaning purpose. To use it, you have to cut the citrus fruit into 2 identical horizontal halves. Now you have to place one half of the fruit over the cone and press the fruit firmly over the cone such that the motor starts rotating and the juice extraction begins.